Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through how you can set up image optimization for your WordPress website. So by default, WordPress doesn't come with any form of image optimization, and if you upload any image, it's going to be in the exact state that you're uploading it. So you can add in that feature by adding a plugin. So there are a few plugins that do this well, but I use one specific one. So I'm going to go over to my plugins tab and I'm going to install it and show you how it works. So click on add new, and the name of the plugin is called Smosh. Okay, so just type in Smosh over here and you're going to see it over here. So what Smosh does, it compresses images, optimizes lazy loads, and it converts images to WebP format. So I'm just going to click on install now, and you can see it's developed by WPMU, which is a very popular plugin development company. So this is the free version of the plugin. I'm going to click on activate and I'm going to show you how it works properly. Okay, so once you have this activated, you're going to have this tab here. So I'm going to click on this, and first off, it's going to check how many images you have on your website, and it's going to give you this installation guide. So I'm going to click on begin installation, and it's going to activate a few features. So we have automatic compression. So what this does is whenever you're uploading an image, it automatically optimizes and compresses them. So you don't really have to do this manually anymore. Just leave this turned on and it's going to do it every time. So you click on next. Then also images can store some kind of metadata, and this metadata always increase the size and makes it unoptimized. So you can always strip the image metadata. So this is another feature, and this is completely free. So you just click on next, and we also have lazy load. This lazy load feature, if you have a theme that already does this or another plugin that does this, just leave this disabled, else it's going to cause some issues. But if you don't have anything responsible for lazy loading, you can leave this turned on. So I'm going to leave this turned on. I'm going to click on next, and that's basically it for the free version. So once you're done, it's going to start checking all your images, and after that, it's going to tell you how many images you have. So we have about 3,394 images. And so just going to go down here, and you see you have 25 attachments that need recompressing. So since this is the first time I'm installing this, there's some images that are already existing that are not optimized. So you just click on bulk smash, and it's going to start optimizing all your existing images. So if you're uploading an image in the future, it's going to do this automatically. So I'm just doing this for existing images. So go down, and we have some few extra settings. So this is basically everything that the setup walked us through. You can also tap on this to resize full images. So if you have excessively large images, it's going to resize them for you automatically also. And that's basically it for this plugin. It does a lot for you. If you can see over here, there's a pro version that allows you to super smush, so you get twice as much image optimization, and it gives you a CDN. A CDN is something that increases the speed of your images. So it takes all your images and serves it from a CDN, no limits, no restrictions. So there are a lot of nice features over here, but even the basic plan is really nice, and it's going to help you optimize most of your images. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, you can leave a like button below, and you can subscribe to the channel for more content like this. So I guess I'll see you in the next one.